Let me take a picture of this gallery. So we are here to attend this gallery today. So this is the gallery that we are here to attend. Sorry, let me share. This is the gallery that today we are here to attend. Let's see, go inside and see. The streets are running. Let's see the significance.
This too. Okay.
Attend this gallery.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Do we need to buy a ticket?
No. It's free.
Is it okay if I can record? If it's okay, if I can record?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
So, all on the ground floor.
Yeah.
We've got two great shows at the moment. We have our open show, locally based, and then we have an artist called James Simpson in the Art Gallery. So,
Okay. How old is this gallery?
the gallery itself is 115 years. Opened in 1911.
1911.
Yeah. Which kind of explains why we've got occasional leaky roof, but other than that, we're in good shape. And yes.
And what is the specialty of this gallery? I mean, what is the special?
The gallery itself tends to focus on kind of contemporary.
For a history students,
Yeah.
for a history documentary, what is that special?
Why is the gallery special? It's special because it brings an element of culture into Blackpool's, should we say, gaudy.
Heritage culture of Blackpool.
Yeah, and which is, but we also serve the local community as well. Yeah, locally based art as well. So it's
Good.
it's a good thing.
Cheers. Thank you.
Yes.
So, what is there? Starting. Okay, we are here to open this art gallery. Let's see what we can find out in this art gallery. Now I'll try to cover as much as I can. Collection Spotlight 1926. This gallery is Grundy Art Gallery is it's built in 1911. It's too old actually. It's more than 100-year-old gallery. You can read all those stories about 1962. This is Western. And this is all about 1925. Part of the drift. what we have.